We need to complete quality checks on our planograms so that stores receive high quality plans, which are simple to implement and operationally efficient. Our store colleagues will complete merchandising using the planogram we send them. What are quality checks? Quality checks are not just about what you see on the surface. The data behind the planogram is equally important. This data includes equipment data. This is the information such as the equipment dimensions, the planogram name and the equipment type. Each shelf also has information linked to it, such as dimensions and position on the planogram. Product data. What are the product dimensions? In which style is it merchandised? Which way can the product be displayed? And can the product stack and cap? The relevant information on every planogram needs to be present and accurate. By completing your quality checks, you will have a good foundation to build from and spend less time correcting data. The VMCS process will be easier and result in fewer sign-in, fit and find errors. By providing the correct data, you will have fewer queries from our store colleagues. Accurate data benefits our stores by ensuring they receive the correct plan and range for their store. Products fit correctly on shelf as per the planogram, and sufficient stock is sent to stores. By having a visually appealing plan and good availability, our customers can find the products they want. The quality checks have been designed to be completed at different stages of your event. Your first set of checks should be completed prior to the event natural work team. This highlights errors early on in the process to the buyer. It is important you use the quality checks to ensure you have a good foundation template prior to merchandising. There are a number of quality checks that will assist you during the build process, and these should be continually checked through merchandising and completed by week -6. You complete a final run through of all checks once the merchandising process is completed in week -5. These must be all corrected prior to authorization. You cannot complete checks once your plans are authorized. There are a number of tools that will support you when completing your checks. Highlights. These will display your data in a visual format and highlight any errors. Tables. These will display your data in a table format, enabling you to see large quantities of data with the ability of changing the data for a number of plans at the same time. Report. You are able to run a report at the end of the process, which will highlight any remaining errors on key quality checks for your display group. These can then be corrected in ProSpace prior to authorization. Key takeaways for quality checks. Data quality is vital to giving our retail colleagues the right planogram for implementation and our customers the right range and availability. Stagger your checks at the right times using the tools available to help accuracy. Ensure that all checks are complete and accurate prior to authorizing your event.
Created using Powtoon.